In this video, I will show you how to add a passkey in WhatsApp. A passkey is an extra layer of security for your account. It helps keep your chats and personal information safe. Using a passkey means that even if someone gets your password, they cannot access your account without the passkey. First things first, open up the WhatsApp application on your device. Once you have the app open, tap on Settings, and this will take you to a new page where various options are available. Next, scroll down slightly until you see the Account option. Tap on Account. Within the account settings, locate and tap on Passkeys. After selecting Passkeys, tap on the Continue button to move forward with setting up your passkey. Next, at the bottom of your screen, you'll be prompted to use Face ID or Touch ID for authentication. Simply tap Continue again. This step ensures that only you can access your WhatsApp account using this new method. And just like that, you've successfully added a passkey in WhatsApp. Now you can log in securely without worrying about forgetting passwords. Your account is protected by either Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode, whichever method suits you best. Remember, your passkey is safely stored in your iCloud keychain. This means it's not only convenient but also highly secure against unauthorized access. Make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled so that you can enjoy seamless login experiences across devices. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.